Hey everybody, Andrew with Suds to Success podcast. In this quick tip video, we're going to talk about DIYDetail Envy. What it is a new product from DIYDetail. They replace ceramic gloss. We love ceramic gloss. Everyone in my shop loves ceramic gloss. Not gonna lie, we kind of cried a little bit when they said they were getting rid of it. And I kind of told Ivan too. I said this product better be as good because it was our favorite product that we used. It does quite well, and we are actually quite happy with it. Where this product tends to fit in your detailing business is I remove car wax from my business. There's no wax in it. Is there a place for it? Yes, but for daily drivers, I'll use this. Like if we do a wash, clay, and wax package, we're really using Envy. How you're doing your wash, clay, and wax packages, we're done doing a wash, clay, and wax package in about 10 to 15 minutes. We are upselling that customer. If they're here for a interior detail, we'll charge them extra for a wax if they want it as like a premium service. What we're really doing, we're doing our rinseless wash. We like rinseless washes. Rajan likes soap, but I like rinseless washes. All you're doing, rinseless wash the car as you would. Spray a bit of rinseless on it. Put one spray of Envy. Use a clay towel. It's in your rinseless pail. Go over the paint. You're then going to be clay barring and adding protection all at the same time, and you're all set and ready to go. So for an extra $75 or whatever you want to charge, it takes you maybe 2 minutes. So it's a quite good upsell. You can also use Envy as just a regular wipe-on protection. So one little spray, wipe it on the surface. You're now going to have protection there. Durability on this product that we found for daily drivers, if you're taking care of your car, it's going to last longer. But for a regular detail customer, that might not be. About 4 to 6 months, you're going to get beating here. On glass, a few weeks because the wipers are going to take it off. What else we use it for is you can use it as a drying aid. So if you want to add just a bit of protection, a bit of lubrication as you're drying the car, 1 or 2 sprays of Envy per panel, wipe it with your towel. You're all set and ready to go. This is a quite versatile product, real easy, price is good on it. We also resell it to customers too. It's a quite good product. So again, DIYDetail Envy, use it as a drying aid, use it as a clay lube when you're doing a rinseless wash, or just use it as just a protection, spray it on, wipe it on. I think this replaces wax quite well. Tight beads on it, customers will notice a difference. Great slickness as well, it'll make your car look good. If you have any questions, or if you want to purchase DIY Envy, reach out to us below. We will get you set up and we will put the links below. Talk to you soon.